bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
So, a few days ago, we saw a cute little commercial on Grand Design's YouTube channel. So what did we do, Afi?
We decided to recreate it with our own twist.
Yeah, we decided to make our own little story, our version of the commercial. So we want to let you watch it, but first, stay tuned because
later we'll talk about our live stream that we're doing on Monday.
Yeah, and you get to also hang out with us. This is Christmas Day. We're releasing this video today, and it should be fun. Are you excited about the gifts, Arla?
He already opened one. He has to open more. Merry Christmas!
All right, let's watch the video and we'll be back.
Jingle bells, jingle.
Dear Santa, I was going to write you a letter, but let's be honest, who does that anymore? This year, I'm not asking for any toys. Would you please help me with my dad? He just doesn't stop talking about that Grand Design fifth wheel. My mom says the only way he's getting it is a Christmas miracle. I don't know why he just didn't ask you. He's been a good dad and all, but I just need him to stop talking about it. Anyways, Merry Christmas. Love, Afton.
Well, ask him better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that.
All right, we hope you liked our little commercial. Let us know in the comment how this little girl did. I think she did phenomenal, right?
Yeah, she did do well. And we just wanted to kind of do something because Eli dreams about having a Grand Design one day. Well, he dreams about having a fifth wheel one day, but especially a Grand Design.
Yep, so...
That commercial is true.
That is true, yeah.
I'm not talking about it all the time.
No.
Yeah, you are.
All right.
He was like, I'm gonna get that fifth wheel one day.
Yeah.
Fun, when are we gonna get that fifth wheel?
Anyways, we are gonna leave the link to the original video in the comments below, so you can check it out. In the description below, so you can check it out. What do we have coming up?
So on Monday the 28th, which is in just 3 days, we're going to do a live stream at 7:30. Send us your questions if there's anything you want to know. We'll be happy to look at them and answer them. I think we have a couple to talk about. And then join us if you want and grab some hot cocoa and sit down with us.
Yeah, let's hang out and have a good little time together. Good times.
We hope you have a wonderful Christmas, wonderful holiday.
Yeah, we're gonna open gifts now and go about our Christmas day and
make pancakes.
Yeah, so Merry Christmas. We'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I can hear those jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Bells on top. What fun it is to ride and sing when I can hear those jingle bells.
I can hear those jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I can hear those
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Open sleigh.